Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenberger here, SEMA 2018 in the JMS booth. I'm excited about it because not only is Brad a friend, he actually was crazy enough to put my car in the little product catalog. Buddy, it's an honor. Thank you so much. I love the products. Everybody knows I use them, but man, you are having a great show. Tell me about what's going on for SEMA, for JMS in 2018.
Well, we've got a lot of exciting things happening. New products, but if you look, you'll notice we have some new brands on our backdrop. We've purchased Daytona Sensors and Daytona Twin Tech. So JMS Performance Group is growing. We're acquiring new companies that have synergy with JMS, electronics manufacturers, and we're getting into the V10 Harley-Davidson market. So that is really cool stuff for us. New market, new opportunity, new bandwidth, new engineering, expanding everything. I mean, it's really going to help our OEM customers. It's going to help our core distribution customers. A lot of great things happening.
Well, Brad, it's great to hear that you guys are having an exciting year, and it's looking like 2019 is going to be even more exciting, but let's go through some of the new products in the booth right now.
Well, we're really excited about our new ThrottleMax line. That's going to be an expanded line of products just for modern-day throttle bodies. So the first new product in that line is what we call Throttle Swap. That's a really critical product for Ford vehicles. In 2018, the Ford F-150 and the Ford Mustang went to a digital throttle body. All new technology, all new control system. That presents a lot of challenges for the aftermarket, particularly for supercharger manufacturers. So we actually worked with another OEM supplier to develop what we call Throttle Swap, which allows you to take the digital throttle body off and put a larger analog throttle body on, key to making more power. So it's a seamless plug-and-play product that takes an analog signal and converts it to a two-channel digital signal.
And what else is new?
Well, the other new thing is we've expanded our FuelMax fuel pump voltage booster line. Plug and play now for all Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger, Hellcat, Demon, Jeep Trackhawk, lots of new applications. So we've taken normally a splice-in product for Dodge vehicles and we've converted it to a full plug-and-play product. Plugs right into the fuel pump driver module. You can actually activate it right off the accelerator pedal. No more going through the firewall, no tapping into the engine or the intake manifold or hob switches or anything like that. Seamless plug-and-play, 100% reliability. And as you well know, with a fuel pump voltage booster like ours, we can increase the actual output of the factory fuel pump by 85% or slightly more, which means big power at the tires, like over 1,000 power.
That's what I want to hear. What else is new for 2019?
Well, the next new thing that we have for 2019 is not really new. It's an expansion on our popular PedalMax product line. So PedalMax is a drive-by-wire device that plugs straight into the accelerator pedal. Takes 5 minutes to install. You've used it yourself and tested it yourself, so you know a lot about it. But that primarily was offered for domestic cars. We're expanding into imports. So we're solid in the Toyota market now. We just added Subaru. We're adding Mazda and Mercedes within the next few weeks. But over about 2 to 3 months ago, we added it for power sports, Can-Am side-by-sides, Polaris side-by-sides, and even Polaris slingshot. So kind of a motorcycle, but it's amazing what that product really does for those vehicles. And you know, drive-by-wire vehicles are lazy. So PedalMax is probably the industry's most advanced solution, basically, to eliminate throttle delay, increase acceleration, remove turbo lag. It does a host of various different things.
And what's last?
Well, the last thing we have is wheels. And Dennis, you know a lot about JMS wheels. You love them. You use them on your own car. So for 2018, we've added our 18-inch by 5-inch front runner for the Ford Mustang. 2015 through 2018 model cars with big brakes, and even some of the older Mustangs with larger, like 14-inch brakes. Very difficult to get a wheel to fit on there. So as you know, the JMS line of wheels, high pressure cast, high quality, direct drill, hub-centric, direct fit. It's designed specifically for your vehicle. And that's really the biggest new thing on the JMS wheel product line for 2018 and 19.
All right, well, Brad, you know what? It's true. I have used, tested, and applied your products to my personal cars and cars that I've had a chance to work on. I can only say, from my experience, I know they work, they make power, and I don't care what anybody says. I love my JMS wheels on my 4Gen, and thank you for putting it, even if it's just a picture of the rear wheel with a bunch of burnt rubber on the quarter panel, thank you for putting my car in the catalog.
Perfect picture.
If people want more information about what you do to get their hands on the PedalMax, any of the other products, let alone the wheels, where do we send them?
You know it's easy, www.jmschip.com. And while you're there, visit the About Us section, and you can learn more about our new brands as well, Daytona Sensors and Daytona Twin Tech.
You heard the man right here. JMS Chips, JMS Wheels. It's the place to go right here. Power Automedia, SEMA 2018.